Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Simply Earth. Do you want to see what's inside and what recipes are included? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Simply Earth is here, and I'm so excited to see what recipes will be in here and what they're giving us to make. Let's go ahead and cut the tape. Let's get in here and see what's going on. All right, so once we open it up, there's all the cards, there are the oils, and then here are our little extras on the side. So let's start off with, what are we making? So the recipes that we will be making this month are going to be oatmeal and milk bath. You'll need 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal to make this one. Everything else will be included in this box or the bonus box. Then we have lavender buds and tranquility milk bath. And this one you would need Epsom salt, and then everything else is included. Eucalyptus shower steamer. That's really cool. I like shower steamers because I don't do baths, so I don't do bath bombs. This one you would need baking soda and an ice tray or a similar mold, and everything else would be included between the 2 boxes. Tranquility and lime diffuser blend, and everything's included in that one. I can't wait to try that with the lime and the tranquility. Ooh, that sounds like it's gonna smell really good. Lime and eucalyptus roll-on. And everything is included in that one. And then we have chai tea bath salts. And you'll need Epsom salt, ground oatmeal, clove spice, anise star spice, and 1 broken stick of cinnamon. That's the chai tea bath salts. Like calming, relaxing theme this month. Now, next month, I just saw it. A sneak peek at December's box. Gift giving. Next month, in the spirit of Christmas, our box is all about making homemade gifts to give to your loved ones. Oils will include mandarin, pine scotch, peppermint, and candy cane blend. Bonus items will be 2 lip balm containers, a tin, and a spray bottle. Recipes to look forward to are a sugar scrub, room spray, lip balm, a Christmas-inspired diffuse blend, and a congestion roll-on. Tip for next month, think of some fun ways to wrap your gifts. Maybe a ribbon, a spring of pine. Get ready to enjoy the gift giving. And see, they put like little greenery on the packages. That's really cute. That'd even be cute, like a little bit of holly or mistletoe. That's a cute idea. Now, this month you're getting lime essential oil. So let's go ahead and show you that one. Lime essential oil. This citrus oil is so sweet, it reminds me of candy. It's calming and refreshing, great for an aromatherapeutic bath. Let me smell that then. Nice and sweet like candy. What? I smell lemon. I don't know about candy, but you know what? It kind of smells like a lemon head. Maybe that's where the candy is coming from. It smells like a lemon head almost, but it's lime. It smells pretty good. Ooh, can't wait to diffuse that one. All right, then we have eucalyptus. Famous for its decongestive properties, this oil is also a great airborne antibacterial to help clear the air during cold seasons. Cinnamon, warming, stimulating, and energizing. This oil helps improve circulation, so some people try it to help regulate their blood sugar. And then we have tranquility. This blend helps calm and relieve anxiety. It contains lemon, patchouli, I'm not sure, orange, amarice, and ling ling pure essential oils. These oils alone would cost $112 from doTERRA. That must be a company to get essential oils from. This month makes relaxing in the tub after a long day a toxin-free experience. a home free of toxin chemicals without breaking the bank. With this subscription, you're part of a wonderful and exclusive Facebook community of Earthies. That's you. You get peace of mind of knowing your home is free of toxins, and you have access to tons of great resources that get on their blogs and their forums. So that's awesome. So they always give 13% back to help end human trafficking, which is an amazing cause. This month, they're giving 13% to the Daughters Project. Each month, we partner with a different organization doing amazing things to end modern day slavery. The Daughter Project is a modern day group rescuing women out of human trafficking. So that is amazing. So their proceeds are going to that particular organization this month. So on the side, the little side goodies we have is powdered whole milk. We have dried lavender flowers. And then we have 2 tea bags. So that is everything that came in this month's box, and those are the recipes that we will be able to be making. And then I really do like the fact that they give you this card every month, because anything that you're making, you can put these labels so you know exactly what is in it. And that is really cool. They even changed up the way that they do their rollerball, and they have the directions and the ingredients on them now. That's really amazing. They didn't have that before. They just had what it was. So I see you. I see you did change that up. I like that. They do just give you just the oils on the side. So if you use anything, you can use them so you know what oils is in that one. And yeah, so I love using this so you can label them and then you know what's going on. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this month's box for everything to be made. So again, the chai tea bath salts, lime and eucalyptus roll-on, tranquility and lime diffuser blend, eucalyptus shower steamer, lavender buds and tranquility bath, milk bath, and oatmeal and milk bath. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that is included in this month's box. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. If you would like to know more about Simply Earth and you haven't heard the pricing before, I will go ahead and let you know now. Every month with Simply Earth, it is the recipe box. That's one thing that I do like about this particular box. They don't just send you oils and have fun. They send you oils and they send you the recipes and they send you the things to make the recipes. And you can also watch their videos of them physically making them. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can see somebody actually preparing them. And you get 4 oils every single month, and it always comes with 6 different recipes, and it's always valued at $150 every month or more, and it's $39 per recipe box. So every month this box is $39. If you use my code SheCraftyFree, all caps, SheCraftyFree, you get a free $40 gift card to use on a future purchase. And you get the free bonus box. In that bonus box is where you get a lot of cool things. You get the roller balls, you get the little glass jars to store like the diffuser blends and stuff like that in. You get, I think there is beeswax in there. There's some carrier oil. There's coconut oils. That's pretty much to get you going, and then every month you have your recipes, and sometimes you'll use the things from the bonus box to make the recipes. So you'll get the free bonus box and a free $40 gift card to use on a future purchase, and this is only $39 a month. You make 6 recipes every month, and there's a new theme to each one, and shipping to the United States is free. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.